You are going to love the 2017 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, front license plate bracket, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, compass, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.